motion, nigga. We having motion, we having motion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We having motion, we having motion, we having motion, nigga. Hey, we having motion, we having motion, we having motion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we having motion, we having motion, we having motion, nigga. Hey, we having motion, we having motion, we having motion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We having motion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.
Man, yes sir, rise and grind, good people, rise and grind, man. I'm back at y'all with another quick video with the pull-up king. I got my young king with me, man. Summertime, yeah, it's the summertime. Who got him out of school, you know, see what we got, man. First year, second year coming. Yep. So man, look, we got a 2014 Buick LACROSSE, and we changing. We got a coolant leak in it, and I diagnosed it one day. Back out here today, got the parts and everything, but this hose right here, this little coolant bypass hose, it's leaking right here, and I showed a little video. I posted, and change out that hose, and we're gonna change out the thermostat, which is on this side right here. And this is what the thermostat look like. Alright, this ugly design, that's a thermostat. That thing, yep. So I gotta take off all of this here to get over in here to get down in there, so we can get to it. That's it right there. Gotta love it, gotta love it. Let's go. All right, so we're gonna start with the engine cover. Gotta remove that, pop this out, both sides. It comes out like that. All right, and that's that hose right there, so it goes all the way to the coolant reservoir. This is a bypass hose, and it just got 2 10mm bolts, and those bolts are done just tugging on it, and it just broke right here all the way. That's where it's leaking from. Alright, take that out. Take this clip out. This is the computer right here, ECU. Goes right here in these slots. You just pull them out. Goes down in there like that. You just pull up on it, pull it out. Take out this 10mm bolt, this clip right here, so we can remove the shield, gain some room. All right, we got that out the way, and that covers all of that. And now I can get to these bolts to the thermostat, which is 3 of them. That's 10 mils. That's the hose back here. We got to take that hose off, take this hose off, and take that back hose off. It's a lot of little hoses, man. Get to it though. Make sure you drain your coolant before you do this, being that he don't have any coolant in the system because it all leaked out. We don't have to worry about that. Alright, we take this hose off right here. Release these hoses from that spot. I already took out these 2 right here. I'm gonna get down here and get that one. Go ahead and work on this hose right here. And that one. Boy, it's a tight one. Alright, I took that hose off. I forgot I had some water in there from when I diagnosed it. But next hose. Finally got it off. Alright, all the hoses. Pull it on out. gasket out of there. All right. Yeah, everything matching up. We looking good. And put that up in there. Get it in place. Alright, we got it in. Go ahead and put everything back together. All these hoses. Alright, that's all the hoses. 1, 2, 3, 4. All of them hooked up. Hook up this hose here. Put all the hoses back in place. Alright. Put that bad boy back in there. Alright, back on with that there. Alright, we got our part. Got a dealer item, of course. Couldn't get it in the store. Alright, so we got part number wise. That is how it looks, how it comes. It comes in 2 different parts, pieces. And you'd think it would have been the whole line, but because I don't replace something that had the whole line, but it's not that case. So we got to take off that old hose off the old one and put it on the new one. Tighten those down and hook up your hose. And make sure you top that guy off, put some coolant in it. GM vehicles only. That orange Dex Cool. Get the air out the system. Turn on that heat, full blast. And that's it. You won't be leaking no more. Alright, man, you know what to do, man. If you're liking the content, like the video, give it a thumbs up. Appreciate it. Comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Till next time, pull up, King.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.